Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing our jack-o'-lantern transfer. It's an E-size transfer, so it's our largest transfer. And I'm going to be putting them on our pumpkin cutouts. I'm doing it on the back side. So I did a fall on the other side. And I'm going to be doing, of course, Halloween on this side. So let's get started. Oh, colors I'm going to be using is Spring Zing, which unfortunately has been discontinued. It was a spring-summer color, but I like it for Halloween. And Bark and Black Velvet. Also going to be using Orange Peel and Papaya. And I guess let's get started. Okay, that's the finished product. It was hard to use the transfers because I don't know if it had to do with I was doing it on the opposite side. I don't think so, but there's so much open silk screen that there wasn't a lot of the green part that's sticky to get it stuck down. I think if I used it again, I would use it either on like a banner or a chalkboard, because I think it would adhere better, but they turned out okay. They're not great, but they're okay. Would like to know about any of my product that I've used, check out my links below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that it'll let you know when I have a new video out. Also like. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.